but it's a domino course I made. Oh. Let's build a building this time. Here is my building. Taller than I am. Yep, I think I'm done here. And no, I'm not gonna knock it down, because that would be a catastrophe. So yeah, that's all. If you leave a like, if you haven't already, and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.